Guys, what is up? Welcome to Everyday Cars and welcome to another simple DIY. So hopefully this DIY doesn't take me an hour to do like my last DIY I did. If you haven't seen that video, I should just, leave it like somewhere up on this video. But today we're going to be, it's upside down, actually that's right. We're going to be putting some interior lighting into the car. This just go underneath there, like just under the footwell, so it just lights up down, and also in the back as well. So yeah, these are the ones that we're going to be using. Let's open it up. It just says cut must be right there. This is what it looks like in the box. Of course, you have your little control thing module. You scan that, I think, and you get an app, and then you can control the different light settings from your phone, or have it sync up to like the audio. So it's pretty cool. So great. Here is a manual that we don't read. Here are some wipes because you want to clean the bottom of the area before you stick on the adhesive. So yeah, that's that. Very handy. Like I said, 2 goes in the front, 2 goes in the back. So let me find this out. I'm just trying to find out which side are the long side and which side are the short sides. So this looks like it's the long side. The longer wires. So this will go to the front. Okay. Actually, nope. I spoke too soon. These are the long, yeah, these are definitely the long side. Alright, so this go to the front. Actually, wait. What? Okay, no, never mind. The short side go to the front, the long side go to the back. Yeah. Okay. The module goes wherever you have space for it. I'll put it in here. Alright, so this one comes over here. I think I'll put this like maybe right here like this, or down here. Alright, once you peel this out, it is go time. Yeah, so I'm putting it down here. Boom. I think that is in the center. Yeah. I want this footwell to light up, Okay, and just like that, one is done. Doesn't look like a mess back here. Now I need to do the other side. I'm literally gonna do the exact same thing on the other side, so I'll just speed this up. Or even if I don't put in the video, I've literally just done the same thing. So let's get to it. I'll put it right there. Come on, it's not enough. And there is the car. Nice. I will still see it. Wow, so it feels so weird to be in the passenger seat, So there you go. Should have done this at the beginning as well. Make sure that they work before you. Anyway, now I just need to find out where to put them. It's like that, or maybe like this. I think I'll do it like this. So my GoPro is turned off because it's too hot, and it's literally is too hot. Like I can barely hold it. But no, yeah, this is the GoPro. It's a GoPro 9 Black Hero 9. It's called. Here's where they are. Those are the first ones. Other ones are over there. And I'll show it better in the nighttime. It will look much better then. And yeah, that's about it, to be honest, guys. Done a simple DIY. Didn't take me an hour to do this one. So